times. We at NSE want to congratulate the entire team of AkumsDrugs&Pharmaceuticals Ltd, the merchant bankers, ICICI Securities, Axis, Citi, Ambit, legal advisors, Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas & Co., PR agency, ad factors, auditors, lawyers, and every other party associated with the IPO for this accomplishment. At NSE, we are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that today's successful listing of AkumsDrugs&Pharmaceuticals Ltd will inspire many more companies to take the public markets route as the best route to raise funds. We hope that today's listing day is the start of a strong partnership going forward between us. NSE looks forward to supporting AkumsDrugs&Pharmaceuticals Ltd in future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate the significance of this event, we'll have the exchange of mementos. I will request Sri Ram Krishnan to kindly present a special memento to our promoters. Please put your hands together as I invite Mr. Sanjeev Jain and Mr. Sandeep Den, Managing Director, on the stage to receive this special listing memento. Come on, everyone. Presenting the proud badges. I think all of you are wearing that, but these are for those who couldn't be present here. Thank you. Now I request, sir, to present the next memento to Mr. Santosh Verma from ICICI Securities Limited. Next one to Mr. Ujjwal Singh from Axis Capital Limited. Let's have a round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Next one goes to Mr. Arvind Vashisht from Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. May I request Mr. Vikas Khattar from Ambit Private Limited to join us on stage. May we have the representatives of Cyril Amarchand Mangaldas on stage, please. And now I'll request Mr. Anupam Chaturvedi, Mr. Sanjeev Chaturvedi and Mr. Shekhar Ghosh from Ad Factors to join us on stage. Thank you so much. Requesting Sri Ram Krishnan to stay back on stage with us. And now I'll request Mr. Sanjeev Jain and Mr. Sandeep Jain to kindly join us on stage to present the memento to NSE. Alright, and now the moment we have been eagerly waiting for is here. It's almost 9:58, requesting all our dignitaries to gather near the bell for the bell ringing ceremony. Mr. Sanjeev Jain, Mr. Sandeep Jain, the family members, board members, Mr. Sumit Sood, and our host, Sri Ram Krishnan. I invited. So you all will see the countdown about the bell. You all will join me for last 10 seconds. Everyone excited? Yes? Please do not stand. We have live cameras behind. People on the stage, please follow the countdown on the bell. The countdown has begun, everyone. Please join me for last 10 seconds. "35 seconds to go, everyone. Excited? Yes? I can see all smiling faces in front of me. 29 seconds to go. We are slowly approaching that golden moment. The moment where Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited will be officially listed on NSE. 13 seconds to go. Let's get ready for the final countdown. 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations. बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And with this, let's congratulate Akums and the entire family once again. It's been a milestone. We are grateful to our host, NSE, book running lead managers, all those who are watching us live, sitting here to celebrate this moment with us. Thank you so much. And now, we continue with the photos later. Now it's time to continue with our mementos, remaining mementos. I will request Sandeep sir and Sanjeev sir to stay back.